terms of toggle fixings, you've got the end, spin the end off, or the like little butterfly effect type things. Spin them off. So we've got our hole, put one on there, you can see. We've already drilled our holes, can be a bit fiddly sometimes getting them screwed back on. Just take them just so the thread comes through the bracket like that. Bracket right way around. You've got to drill slightly bigger holes, so what I'll do is I'll go through with a small pilot bit and then I'll open the hole up with like a 10mm, just a 10mm wood bit, steel bit, whatever, it's only plaster one. This could use a spade bit, but they just allow a bit of movement, just to open the hole up to the size. You can get different size ones, and then you layer it, when I push it in, you layer the clip, like that. And then that's literally just the case now. Pulling back out, you can see I can't pull that back out now. Sometimes you've got to put a bit of counter pressure on it, put screw your fingers to the roller. You can feel it tightening up. These will work, these will hold as well. I've never had a radiator fall off for using these. Some people use the fancy round ones. State can hold something crazy up to like 50-60 kilo I think. To be fair, the price of them compared to the price of these, thinking screw fix, a pack of 10 of these is about £6. And when you're doing this type of work all the time, it's ideal. It's just, it can be a bit fiddly sometimes just to tighten up. You get there. Just do it on a slight angle, it just stops the bracket, the toggle behind the fitting, behind the wall. Tighten up. There we go, nipped up now. Just make sure it's level. Level like that. And then fade the nip up. I mean, you don't need to go crazy with one, but I'll get that bottom one a nip. I mean, you can see on that, that's not going to come off there. I might move on out, so I know when my upper side's going to be. Just get that level across the top. There we go, good with that. Mark your holes. I never use the adjustments on them. I always just use them holes there. The two bigger ones, not the long ones. And what you've got to be careful using the toggle fixings, if you get it wrong, you'll lose the actual toggle. Because obviously once you undo it, it disappears down the back of the wall. So again, all we're going to do, we'll undo these. Just move that around a bit. We'll undo them. Stick a small bit through the wall first, just to make sure there's no nozzle in the way or anything. Oh no, we're good. I'll see you under. Put a great big hole through the wall and hit a piece of timber. Stopping it up. Open that one up. So that way around, bolt through the hole and the toggle fixing on the back of it again, just so you can see through. Sometimes if you do it without that, the toggle fixing can move, and then when it goes behind, it can catch and it doesn't quite shut properly, or it doesn't quite open up properly. And then if one's gone in, trying to get it back out can be a right nightmare. So again, push it there or thereabouts in. You can get different length of these toggle fixings, so depending on how much you've got to go through, depends on what size you go for. But which ones are these? These are the M5s, 50mm, 10 of them in a pack. So click it, click, click, you can see what come back out. I tend to do them up with a screwdriver because if you do them up with an impact or your drill or whatever you're using, you can just gauge it a little bit better using a screwdriver. And to be fair, you don't want to pull the thread out of them once you put one in. There'll be a lot more messing around trying to prat around putting another one in or taking another one out. The time it takes just to do them with a screwdriver. So a couple of times just from the top to the bottom. Get it somewhere tight. Get it somewhere tight. Let's check on the level. Absolutely bob on. Oh. So you can see a nice level on that. Just give it a final nip up. I mean, I can tighten these as pretty goddamn tight with my hand and a screwdriver, but put an impact on them. They're only a machine threaded screw. So, I'm going to go to mag with them. So yeah, they're not coming off there now. I'll just get me 4 rubber seats, which generally once you put the radiator on first time they'll fall off the second time. You might wonder if you've seen a little bit of blue tape on the bottom of the pipe. So I did the first fix on this installation. Before the walls have been, this was a stud wall, this was open, so it's been a stud wall and plastered. Tape's just to stop any crap falling down the hole, and then when you fire the boiler up for the central heating, goes through the pump or it's stuck and blocks the heat exchanger up or whatever. So we'll pop this radiator on. Well, before we sit the radiator on, just take these transit caps out, which with a pin can sometimes be a bit tight to get out. Pair of grips, just got careful with the pin and that. Never had a problem getting them out. Some of them can be tighter than others. Vent plug and cap. Put them in. For anyone that's not fitted radiators very often, they are on little rubber seals these, so they don't need mega tightening. Get them tight and then half a turn or something like that. Right. On the bottom, that's on the bottom now. Offer it up to the back, lift it ever so slightly, and she's on. Check it for level again. Yeah, that's happy days with that. So now we can get our pipes coming up to the valve. Stick another video on for how I connect the valves up.